everyone, and welcome back to another CV Linens video. My name is Myra, and in today's video we will be creating a Thanksgiving dinner table that we hope will inspire you for this upcoming holiday. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, go ahead and give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more event inspiration, and make sure to be on the lookout on our social media platforms for new arrivals, the latest news, trending products, and of course, more inspiration. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in the next one.